Alrighty, we are back. What's up, everybody? Time to get serious. We gotta fucking finish this thing. We gotta get this into beta testing, and we need beta testers. I will be reaching out because we're gonna have to launch this game engine sooner rather than later. In fact, I'm so serious, I've got a scrum board of tasks that I need to work on, starting with set dressing Thyrus. So that's what we're doing today. We're trying to knock out this entire set dressing tonight. I don't know. It's gonna be hard. I'm gonna do my best. Thyrus is a giant level, so we'll see if I get this done. I might have to get it done tomorrow as well. But fucking dog here. But yeah, we'll figure it out. Got a few other tasks. This is just for this week. This is week 1. I have a broken down 90-day plan for getting shit started. And I have a larger 3-year plan for quitting my full-time jobs. So here's hoping. All right. Step 1, Photoshop. Go. So I mean, we just got to start at the bottom. Set dressing. We just need to make it look, not empty. Like right now we have a little placard on the wall here for reading. We have the guy sitting here, so we don't have to worry about that. But like maybe a plant in the corner, which we have some plants. Maybe a little couch. This is a waiting room. Yeah, this is like a lobby. So just a couple extra things so it doesn't look so empty. You can even put like a little runner right here too. So we'll start putting things. Let's see. Yeah, we'll start working in this level. Right here. So this is the lobby. Okay. And we are in the lobby now. Okay, cool. So let's put a runner right here, right in front of the couch. And this will be just a little extra so it doesn't look so fucking empty. Color, I don't know. It's a very gray place other than the glass walls, but it needs to be clean. We can do like a white. Something white. Would white be good? What's the accent color in the secret research facility? Blue. I mean, it's not like a startup. It's like an ancient, not ancient, but it's like a, go with like white. Let's get some carpet going in here. Styles. Let's see what we got. Fur. Shag rug. Lovely. And let's scale this much smaller. Yep, that works. Soften the opacity a bit. Sure. Let's work on the shadow. It's a little bit too far. Yeah, there you go. Cool. That'll do. Let's get a matching couch going. Right here. I'll have to grab one of those real quick. See what that does. Wait, what? Uh-oh. There we go. Yes, that is correct. That's what I want-ish. But I need it straight on. You know what? I have some chairs already I can steal from the CEO's office. Let's do that. I gotta find it though. It's probably... Let's see, where's the couch that I got? Couch. That's logos. I usually download everything over here. Don't I usually download shit to my desktop, or am I tripping? Just like everyone else. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're just gonna have to use the actual level. Game creatives. Now we need the CEO office. No levels here, but I don't know if CEO office is in here. No, it's not. Yeah, I created this later on. CEO. Oh, here we go. This is what I needed. All right. Yes, these will do. I will reuse assets. That's the kind of guy I am. I mean, I don't need that whole thing, but I can at least take one of these. Right. Perfectos. Oh, what the fuck? Why is it grabbing the whole thing? Oh my god. You're annoying. Fuck. I guess we're moving manually today. Yeah, we just gotta color correct this to match the rug. And this should do. I don't really like this part not touching though. What the fuck? Dun-dun-dun-dun. don't know, something like that. Kind of gross looking now, though. That'll work. What? We gotta make it white-ish. Kind of like, yeah, more like that. Let's get in there. Less color. A little more red. Yeah. Good enough. Alright, we have a couch. We have a rug. Which is not very center, but that's fine. And then I kind of just wanted to put like a little plant in the corner, which I can steal from, not from here. I can steal from Foresight. Show me Foresight. Here we go. What? This is old. Oh no, Foresight. I forgot. The plants are all interactive. I need those from, should just be in game creatives. Plant. Yeah, here we go. Let's do something tall and skinnier. Yeah, this one will work. Like before. Yep. Yes. Oops. I lost it. Oh shit. Gimme. Thank you. Something like that. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Cool. It's not bad. Alright. I mean, I guess that's good enough. Can't really think of anything else to put in here. It's supposed to just be like a quick waiting room. Alright, done. Next. I can figure out what to do with all this random space. These are all glass walls. That being said, none of them are transparent. I think that's okay though. Cubicles. Yeah. Correct, D1Z. Welcome, by the way. These are glass, indestructible glass walls. Yeah. In the book, they hang from. Oh shit! I forgot my necklace is touching my mic. In the book, they're hanging from the rafters of the warehouse, but like I can't really convey that, so I just put them as glass-colored walls. It'll work. Okay. So nothing on these walls. You can't hang things on them. You can put furniture, but you can't hang things. Actually, I'm making the game based off of the book. So this is Escape to Orbem. That's the game, Escape to Orbem, based off of the sci-fi fantasy novel series that I wrote, the Harmonian Chronicles. So book 1 is Orbem. Orbem is, main character invents wormhole transportation, and him and some scientists have to escape Earth. So they go to a universe called Orbem. Yeah, appreciate it. So the demo of this game is going to be based off of the first 5 chapters of Orbem, which is when you're on Earth still, and you basically, you know, if you check it out, you're basically getting to the point where you have to run away, and you do, you end the demo with a boss fight, which is cool. Yeah, here's your little office. Here's your new game. Eventually the game is going to be the whole series. So to be continued, basically, for a long time. Yeah. So you start at your old office where you got fired. And you go to a secret research facility, which I'm working on right now. Yeah. So this is going to be basically the entire book series at some point. But the main focus right now is I'm trying to finish this demo, which gets you, basically tutorials how to use the mechanics and what to do, how to fight, how to interact with things, how to punch plants, how to talk to old ladies. And then the main reason that I want this demos done is because I am creating a game engine, which is, the whole point of trying to make the demo as nice as possible, because it's a POC for the game engine as well, which is my WordPress game engine. This is how everything's made. No code solution, RPG maker in WordPress, made with WordPress. So it's got to look good. You need to see the potential of the game engine. Luckily, I have a lot of story and a lot of dialogue. Yo! Good morning, Courage Godly Dog. How's India? How is it there? How you doing? In this corner, I don't know. Vending machines? Let's put like vending machines here. Don't I kind of have a vending machine in the office somewhere? Let's see if I can. I think I had to make. Where's Foresight? Wait, where's Foresight? I thought I opened Foresight. No, I didn't. Or maybe I did. What did I do? Did I open Foresight? No. Clear that plan out. Foresight pretty. Oh, I opened the wrong one. That's why. Okay, got it. Yeah, let's see if we can find the right Foresight. I have a fridge in there that I might be able to repurpose as a vending machine. So that's semi-finished, semi-finished. This looks pretty finished. Oh, that's the picture. Where's the actual PSD though? This looks pretty close. No, there's still some stuff in it. Let's try this. Let's check PSDs. Should have a Foresight one in here somewhere. Recovered or some shit. No? Alright, let's check the whole Mac. It's cloudy today. Ah. Oh shit. Typhoon. Stay indoors. Stay safe. That is crazy. Why don't I have a better Foresight? Foresight pretty? It's not the finished version though. Let's try Foresight again, but on the whole Mac. Yes, I know it's in the book. Yeah, like that's not the whole thing. I might just have to steal it from the actual image. These are all the old maps. Oh, here we go. We're getting somewhere. JPEG. JPEG, music. Yes, good. Stay inside. Oh, here we go. Foresight pretty recovered. That looks pretty full. Go. Yeah, there we go. So I got this fridge here. If I get rid of the handle, it could be like a vending machine. I'm doing pretty well. You know, I am motivated to actually finish. Oh yeah, look at vending machine. I called it a vending machine even though I made it look like a fridge. Motivated to actually finish this demo real quick. Real quick. It's only been like years, whatever. But now real quick. In order to be able to start launching this in WordPress and let people start beta testing. So this is what, first level? I don't even know. Doesn't really need a name. I just want to keep things grouped so I know what the hell it is. I always lose the items. There we go. Vending. Sure. We'll leave a vending machine right here. What's that wall? It looks wrong. Let's get rid of that handle if we can. Get some shadowing, some feet. Handle. Where's the handle? Is it this? Oh, there it is. There we go, vending machine. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I might be able to put two actually, now that I think about it. Like side by side vending machines. Kind of fill up the space a little better. Yeah, does that make sense? Can you tell that they're both vending machines? Let's see. It's usually better if one kind of pops out a little bit compared to the other one. Yeah, it's kind of dumb, but I think with a strategically placed rug, we might actually be able to make this work. Put this in the first level here. All right. Oh shit. I don't like that. Boom. In this case, I want to turn it this way and make it smaller. Just like a little walking pad when you get here. Sure. That's kind of a thing, right? All right. You see many items being added to the game from katana to fridge. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Trying to really do the set dressing today. Hopefully I can finish that. Because I want to get to the voiceover recording. I have to do all the main character voiceover recording. I have to finish Foresight. I have to do all of the CEO office recordings, and then I need to do all of Thyrus, Bylon, Condo. A lot of voiceover recording. And that's going to take a little while. So I want to knock this out as soon as possible. So this first level, I don't really need much. Maybe we can get some water coolers going on over here. I haven't done that yet. I mean, what else would go here? It's a secret research facility. Could have trash cans. Yeah, you always need trash cans. Maybe. Could be chill area. No. Okay. Yeah, let's go with water coolers. Just very generic shit. See if I can grab one real quick. Pixel art style water cooler. See if we can make it kind of futuristic looking. Why not? I should have said no background. We'll see what it does. Okay. Definitely should have said no background. But a couple of these might do. I mean, you don't even know what the fuck that is. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter what it is. Fuck it. Let's go for number 4. Oh, I did variation. My bad. I meant to do that. Gimme. We don't have time for this. Quick like bunny. Yeah. Here. Beautiful. This is still first level. So let's keep it in there. Yeah, there we go. Tear up your armor. Oh, fuck. Can you not? Just this. Thank you. And let's actually get rid of that background. Thanks, AI, Photoshop, helper. That looks pretty good. We just gotta add some shadow. Yeah, why not? Fucking... Yeah, I know. I don't know what they are at this point. Looks pretty cool. Well, we got 2 of them. Oh, I guess I should have put that one up front. There you go. Random water pods. They could be fuel. They could be water dispensers. Who knows? I don't. But they need a little shadowing or it doesn't make any sense. Alright. Gotta place them in the space. I could put like shadow filters, but I find hand drawing the shadowing tends to be a little bit better accuracy wise. And it should be a little bit darker behind the whole thing here. Oh. Yeah, you know. Yeah, there we go. That makes sense. Cool. Alright, I think this first level has enough. Really doesn't need a lot of stuff. It's just kind of like a hallway to get to the research grid. Which I wonder if I should put like arrows on the floor, like I did for the waste disposal to the research grid. I wonder if that would work. Let's see. That would also be on the first level. Yeah, we can put this on both sides. Research grid. Put it in white. Correct. And then we need to maybe, yeah, make this a little bigger. And we need to blend it in with the floor. Get some blend-in options going. What do we got? Dissolve. Maybe. That's too opacityed. See, that's not great either. Yeah, maybe we'll go with dissolve. Grid it up a little bit. And then let's see what we can do. And now we need emboss. Well, I guess I could have added a texture instead of making it dissolve. Why don't we do that? Give a little song. And then we need pillow emboss. Why is this not really showing much? So the blending? Oh, fill. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, there we go. I gotta be able to see this better. Do I have this on the outside? Let's go hard. It's not. I thought you had an option to make it inner or outer. It's not really showing. Interesting. What am I missing here? Opacity? No. That kind of helps a little bit. There we go. Now that's not as soft. That looks more like it's in the floor. Alright. Let's actually go back to dissolve. Oh no, we're gonna try texture. Yeah, that looks kind of shit. Alright, texture. Can't see it because it's white. Oh, there we go. You can see it a little bit now. Cool. That's looking pretty good. You just gotta darken it a little bit. And I guess we can do that with opacity. Or with this. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's do... four. Do I have the power? There we go. Ooh, it's almost too much. It's only one. Yeah, there we go. I can control a little better like that. That's good. Now I need the arrow. There used to be a shape tool. I mean, there's a shape tool, but where you could make arrows. Oh, like this. But why fucking animals? Like, I need like a good shape. Boats, flower, like I need real shit, not flowers and animals. Import shapes? I don't have any shapes. I guess I'm making an arrow. Can't be that hard. What? What just happened? Oh, it's because I have stroke on it. So it's going to be white. I should probably not be using the shape tool for this, now that I think about it. Let's just use a regular thing. There you go. Cool. There's that. And then let's make a triangle somehow. That'll do. Oops. There we go. Arrow. And let's copy the layer styles. Paste it here. Cool. That will do. I wonder if this should be a lot smaller, now that I think about it. That's pretty big in scale. And now, if we duplicate, can do it over there too. Coming over. All right, now level 1 is looking pretty full. You got the research grid, signs. Great. I should also do the same thing on this side. But we'll leave that for later. Okay, first level's done. Now, goes A, B, C, D, and then E, F, G, H. Is that right? A, B, C, D. Yeah. E, F, G, H. So each quadrant row has its own letter associated with it. So the first one here, this has the waste like the waste disposal where the rocket goes. So this is kind of like a waste disposal area. I guess I didn't really think about it, but this is where you drop trash, which it gets its own office, I guess. Maybe it's somebody who is working on like a special project for disposing of waste or something like that. So let's add like desks and like a desk here, and maybe like some flashing doodads, or maybe a desk here, flashing doodads over here, computer wall. So what do we have? We have desks, right? Big obsidian desk. What about you? Tables. Yeah, you can steal our patented desk that we made. That's for that direction though. Then we have our patented desk style thing. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, let's steal this one. Gimme. Patented long desk. And I think the waste disposal takes this whole area up, so I'm gonna have to shorten this, which I think I stretched it, so it should be okay. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. I'll have to mess with the size later. Okay, and I don't really, maybe we should change the, oh yeah, let's make a new group. This is A. So in A, we have table. Let's change the color from brown to make it like steel. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, does style have steel? Marble. Stone. I don't know what basics is. Nothing. It's got fabrics. Kind of looks like not steel. Leather. You're so good at piano. Yeah, it's piano. Thank you. Yeah, just one of those skills that I never get to use. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, no, we're not doing fur. I think we can get away with messing around with the scale of this. Oh shit. Wait, how do you mess with the scale? Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, we can do something like this instead. Make it hard though. Yeah, that works. I don't like the color. Let's make it gray. Yeah, well, let's make it darker then. Should probably add like a gradient, actually, now that I think about it. Whatever. Let's just get rid of that drop shadow. Yeah, that's kind of throwing me off. Oh, here's the pattern overlay. It's just kind of looking like marble more than it's looking like steel. I think we should just go with like a gradient instead. Let's do color overlay. Or there should be a gradient overlay actually. No. Where is it? I thought there was, where'd color overlay go? I don't know. Oh, here we go. Color overlay. But wait, oh no, wait, maybe there is gradient overlay. Yes, there is. Okay, that's what I thought. There we go. Let's get to the grays, which I think are neutrals. No. We need this to be grays. There we go. Steel looking. Let's get rid of drop shadow. Oh no, I had a drop shadow on purpose. Okay. And then scale it down. Right. What the fuck? Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. That'll twerk. Alright, steel desk. Oh, I don't know why it's like... Shouldn't it be in front of the legs? Yeah. There you go. Now it looks like a desk. Cool. Perfect. Right. Alright. I'm only doing it, like, spending so much time on this because I'm going to reuse this desk. Which, the gradient is too light. Can I darken this? Darken. Multiply. Light. Darker color. No. I don't think I can. I'm gonna have to actually change the colors. Damn it. Is there a darker grays? There is. It's not as shiny, but that does look pretty good. Really like this one though. Oh yeah, it's also linear. Let's change this a little darker. There you go. A little darker. Yeah, that's a little better. I don't know why it wasn't like straight. Okay. Desk. Unit. We need something like machinery-ish over here. And then we need to put like some shit on this desk. We need to put what? I have random stuff in my office. Anything I can steal? Let's see here. Yeah. Maybe some... Oh, where's the toolbox? Oh, did I hide it? Yeah, tools. Let's grab some tools. Maybe it's like standard tools. No. I want you. Tools. Alright, let's... What the fuck? Why am I not in Photoshop anymore? Oh my god. Sometimes Photoshop. There's A. Alright, we're in A now. May I know who drew those drawings behind you on the wall? Oh yeah. Well, they're all my daughter. All those paintings, that really awesome picture of me, which it's definitely her best work. It's ridiculous. Everybody that sees it behind me like, oh yeah, it's definitely you. It's like she nailed it. Alright, let's put some of you. Yeah, no, she killed it for sure. So you have some tools right there. Maybe a computer. Let's grab a computer. Some sort of computer. What do we have? Do we need a chair? Maybe a chair. Should we put a chair in here? Oh shit. Just put a chair. I want it facing the other way. And I actually want it down here. As if he's working on whatever is down here. So, well, let's flip it. So they're going that way. And then we need like some random, I mean, I have some servers and stuff I could use. But let's see. Yeah, like I have server X, but I feel like he brought these with him, so I shouldn't do that. All right, let's just grab something else random. And it just needs to kind of peek out of the top. So it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Something I can steal from. Well, let's see, anything from this water cooler shit? Might be able to steal the top of this peeking out or something. That might work. Let's see. Let's get a variation of that. Let's see. This one would be good. Maybe I can take both of these. Let's go 2, and let's go 4. Can always use it for other things, rando things. Just set dressing. Don't mind me. Like little spurts of music every now and then. Hell yeah. Alright. Jump back in here. Throw these 2 in here. And we'll use them. Yeah, so something like that. Kind of peeking out. Something like that. Maybe something like that. Yeah, something like that. That'll twerk. See if we can get rid of the background. Perfect. You as well. Perfect. Now let's get rid of the rest of it. I think that's enough to peek out. I should probably move this one down though. Yeah, more like that. Yeah. That should twerk. Oops. Let's move these up a tidbit. Cool. A little closer together. Yeah, I'll have his little chair sitting over here. Great. All right. Oh yeah, we should probably throw on the Twitch category. Game development. I mean, asset creation is part of game development, right? Def. Okay. So, the chair kind of sucks. I should not have done that. Oh shit. Where's the chair? I don't know if I like the chair right there. Maybe I should put it over here by the desk. That might work actually. Just have it kind of be in the way. Have these two things just chilling. Yeah, you like the machines. And then, like I said, there's a big waste disposal thing, so I might have to actually move these over. Let's just move this one over a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And then I need one more thing here, which I think I need a computer. Now, I don't have any computers other than my own computer. And that's isometric perspective. So I need one that I can have like a straight on shot. I think I can repurpose the Foresight computers. They are sideways, but I think I can like turn them. So why don't we do this? Let's steal this. Let's grab you. I mean, I guess it's not crazy to think that they'd have the computer sideways, but let's not assume that. Monitor. Oh shit. I need all the shadows and stuff too. Nope. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to actually make a monitor viewable, but it's gonna be kind of like this. And then we need the keyboard. Spin that bad boy around. That should work. And then, wait, where's the mouse? Oh, the mouse was part of that? Oh my god, that's annoying. I love how there's a wired mouse. It's a super high-tech facility. I gotta get rid of that. I don't know why I was thinking a wired mouse was necessary. What the hell is this? I don't even know what that is. Where does that come from? Part of the monitor. Okay. And then the monitor needs to be fixed as well. So now the monitor is going to look like this. And it's going to be whatever gray this is. Alright. Nope. Gotta stop doing that. Something like that. Okay. And this is definitely not making sense anymore. Cool. Super thin screen. Alright. Something like that. Actually, let's do that. Cool. That is whatever. Good enough. Should probably flip that. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Yes. That works. Okay, now we just need some nice shadows. Uh-huh. Yep. Perfect. All right. It's good enough for a waste disposal office. The only thing I'd like to add, just for some ambiance, are some drag marks right here. Because that'll give it more of an impression like, oh yeah, heavy machinery gets dragged over here. Because that's what you do with the rocket. So let's add a little bit of scratching. Something like perfect. That's not what I meant to do. Let's go brush. And let's go, I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Big size. Spaces. I just need to do something like that. Those look like scrapes. Maybe. Or is it more like that? That's kind of more like scraping. Yeah. Yo, Andrew! What up, bud? Welcome back, my friend. Yeah, something like that. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. Okay, let's give it a little bit more opacity. I can always lessen it. Yeah, something like that. This might be too much, actually. Spread it out a little bit more. No, yeah, I think the angle is fine. Oh, shit. Whoops. Yeah, let's do it smaller so I can spread it out, actually. It's a little uniform for me. Your grandma thinks you're a genius, but don't know how to connect wireless mouse. That wired mouse is for me. Hell yeah. I'm with you. Can't go wrong with a wired mouse. No latency, no charging. Alright, I don't like this mouse. I don't like this anymore. Something like this. But like, no spacing. Yeah, there you go. Something like that. That's kind of more like scrapes. Yeah, okay. It's not like dirty enough though. Maybe something more like this. Yeah, that's pretty good. We just make it smaller. No, I'm pretty much back to where I was. God damn it. Why can't I do this? Just need something fucking raggedy. Textured brush, maybe? Maybe I'm just using the wrong one. Oh, no, that's actually using scatter. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Right. Let me change the tip back to like that. No. Yeah, like that. Make it smaller. No. Or those. Yeah, these. There you go. And let's check the scattering. Jitter. Scatter. What do we got? Oh man, I'm losing it. That's what I wanted, but dual brush shape dynamics. What do we got? No. Yeah. Sure. I want to like spread them apart. Yo, no name noggin. Sorry, I was not paying attention. It has been quite a long time, I agree. I don't know. I guess that's pretty good. Let's go back to the brush. Something like that. But then it looks wet. That's kind of like he made a mess. Nah. I don't think I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, wet edge is not what I wanted. Maybe scatter's not doing it for me. Just don't want like a pattern. Okay, I'm spending a lot of time on this. I apologize. I just realized how much time I was actually spending on this. Okay, we're gonna knock this out right now. We got this. So we're gonna do drag, drag. Something like that. That's fine. It's good enough. And then let's just make it look a little bit more embedded into the floor. And let's do inner bevel. No. Blending options. Yeah, that's more what I was going for. Something like that. That kind of just looks like dirt on the floor. I'm losing it. I don't like it. This is bugging me. I will spend all goddamn day on this if I have to. Oh shit. No, no. No. No, no. Yes. We're going back to this one. We're gonna make it small. And we're gonna add just random drag marks coming out of the office. Yeah, that wasn't bad actually. I can't see the brush. And just go a little opacity on it. Alright, good enough. I give up. That'll work. Looks like drag marks. Okay. What did I do? What is this? What are you? Oh, did I forget the... Oh, shit. I forgot to delete some part of this. Nope. There you go. Okay, cool. So that office is done. What's this office gonna be? so many cubicles to fill up. Oh god. And I get to add NPCs to all of these. Maybe not all of them, you know. You're not in your office the whole time. I'll probably leave this guy out. But like this is Jeannie's office. She's going to be getting shot with a flamethrower. We have the rocket right here doing rocket tests. I already have that, so that'll be good. But what do I have here? Maybe this is where Professor Jing is. He's doing perpetual power. So let's just do like power Tesla coils and shit. Pixel style Tesla coils, no background. And then maybe we can reuse some of this stuff that I grabbed too. Doesn't really look like power though, so we'll leave that out actually. How about a couch? Does Jing need a couch? Maybe. Yeah, so we're gonna do some like power stuff on the back wall here, sitting around here. And then we'll need another desk. Maybe we'll just steal this desk. Those are that. And I definitely want to do some animation on some of the coils, make them look like they're, you know, flaring up. That'll be fun. Where's the desk? It's this whole thing. Oh, table, yeah. Let's put another one over here. That'll do. Maybe we can move this one off centered so it doesn't look exactly the same. Let's see what we got. Cool. Totally. Yeah, let's do like these two. That'll be fun. Doesn't really look like a Tesla coil, but that's good. It's gotta look like something that doesn't exist. And then we'll need some like transformers too. Pixel art style, power, transformers, electric power transformers, no background. You come to me. Now with these, I need to like create the picture that I want animated. I'm gonna see if I can do it in generative. So let's open it up. Yo. And they're gonna be side by side. So let's remove the background. Cool. And let's separate them. Oh. Great. Steal that. Okay. And let's get rid of this one. Nope. I always do the wrong one. Great. And we'll put this one in front. This one in back. That'll work. And we're gonna make it a skinny image that goes on the back wall. I mean, I don't know how much space I'm really gonna have, so let's try it out. It needs more room for the animation to go, so I learned that problem the hard way. I can always crop it later. Something like, yeah, we can do something like that. Should give us enough. Okay, so now let's export this. You're gonna build a whole NASA office. Yeah, no, there's some rocket tests going on. I mean, it's like a secret research facility for like outrageously advanced science. So, yeah. So this is going to be Tesla coils. All right. Let's go to Midjourney. I need to go to my create. Oh, cool. Transformers look good. Ooh, that could be good on the back wall. Perfect. Let me see this. Yeah, that's perfect. I can put those on the back wall. Just random power shit. Awesome. But let's animate the Tesla coils. Hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. How's it going, my friend? The main character enters with katana and kills the scientist. Nah. He uses it to fight the boss battle, though. Okay, here we go. Starting frame. Let's go with the Tesla coil. Alright. And we need electricity. Flaring. Back and forth from coil to coil. Yeah, let's see what that does. Hopefully it doesn't move the camera. Hopefully it doesn't move the coils. Hopefully it just statically moves the electricity. That'd be great. You like that one? Thanks, Harlow. That's how I greet you now. That's my pretty song. That's the song I'm going to use for all the love scenes. Or, not love scenes, but all the time that you talk to Yona. Your love interest in the game. Oop. Why are you giving me a black background randomly? Okay. Okay. It seems like they're not moving. That's good. We might have something here first try. Oh yeah. I think we might have something here. Oh, can't I put it... Oh shit. I think you can make it loop. Can't you loop? I forget how. I forget how you loop. I think you can loop. I guess it's electricity, so it doesn't matter if it's looping. Ooh, these are all pretty good. I mean, the first one is unusable. The second one is also zooming in. But the last two... I think I like... Ooh, I don't know. Do I like the last one or the second to last one? This one or this one? I think this one has a lot more movement. Like a lot more things happening. I just kind of like the way that it's like coming all the way down here. Yeah, the third one's best. You're right. All right. You're coming with me. All right. And now we have to do the fun part. Taking out the backgrounds of the video. Nope. I did not mean to put that here. I meant to open it. All right, there we go. All right, how long do we have? Ooh. And let's see if this works. Wait, what? Why won't it remove the background? What am I missing? Oh, select subject. I forgot. Oh no, it's not selecting the black. Why did it put black? That's unfortunate. This is going to be a lot harder if I can't auto select like that. Fuck. Well, not that fuzzy. Frame 1. God damn it. I really wish it would select the black. That's unfortunate. Nah, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, this is gonna suck. Damn. Yeah. I mean, I gave it no background, so I was hoping it wouldn't add a fucking background, but that's unfortunate. All right, I'm gonna give it one more shot and see if I can add no background and see if that'll fix it. Electricity flaring between both coils, no background. What just happened? Oh, okay. I'll keep going while it does that, though. All right. So that one's not that bad. So let's see if I can replicate that magic I just did. Yeah, unfortunately it keeps fucking grabbing the rim. I mean, I don't have to be too careful about cutting things, but I don't want to cut too many things. I feel like doing the range first actually was better. I know. I don't know why I was doing that. Okay, yeah, definitely color range first. Because the auto select does better then. And then auto select. Alright, so it's like let's see what we got. No, it did it again. Wasting shit. And these are definitely not as good, so doesn't matter. Okay, whatever. Let's just try to finish this one. I want to have a few things animated, just kind of giving more dynamicness and like excitingness to the level. I have the the rocket shooting fire. I'm gonna have Genie getting blown by a flamethrower. We'll have the Tesla coils, and the rest, we can just have walking around it NPCs. So let's continue. Next, color range. Delete. I can actually create an auto action for this. I haven't done that in a long time though. I wonder if I can still do it. What is it? Automate actions. Hey, here's the song I just played. The full version. Add a new one. Select coils. Record. So now everything I do will be recorded. And now we can stop. Okay. And now we can set a function key, and we'll do function F1. We'll do shift F1. So now, technically, I should be able to run this action. If I go here, shift F1. Apparently, F1 requires that. And there you go. I gotta get rid of shift though, because I already have to click FN. All right. What? Oh, shit. All right, you know what? Forget it. We'll keep shift. All right, let's go. And go. Master of Photoshop. I forgot about actions. As long as everything is pretty repetitive, actions are really good. And you can actually run actions on an entire Photoshop file, all the layers, one by one. I used to do high volume photo retouching for about 7 years. And this is how we would get through 1,000 images a day. You know, you do color correction, lighting, and all that kind of stuff. And you would apply it using just like an action like this. And then, you know, it would get you most of the way there, and then you could tweak it, you know, whatever. Also the resizing, because they shoot the images pretty much in the same spot, you know. So resizing, and that can be repetitive too. So you can get like resize, fucking lighting, color correction, all in the same action, and then you just kind of clean it up a little bit. Let's keep it for now. You can put action later if needed. Right. Hey, Han! What's up, Han Programmer? How you doing, bud? Hold on, I have to greet you properly. There you go. Welcome, Han. You like the music? Good. Perfect. This is also my cover of My Heart Will Go On, playing right now. I made a metal cover of it. Yeah, by the way, all the music you hear in the background is me, my bands, things I recorded on. So if you like any of the music, most of it's available online for free. I can point you to it. I do have a Patreon where you can like grab a list of songs that I don't have online anymore because they're just too old. The bands don't exist, you know. A lot of it's available on SoundCloud or Reverb Nation or something. YouTube. Okay, man. We're almost there. For this one, like I don't usually look for the walking animations. For free? For absolutely free. The Patreon one is not free. But yeah, most of it is available for free. Because I'm just that kind of guy. And nobody would buy it. Almost done. I see a light at the end of the tunnel. No, I don't. Fuck, there's a lot of frames. I wonder if I can add to the, like, moving to the next frame. Let me see if I can do that. That would be cool. Because I can just go bop, 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 bop. Can I record more? Oh, it worked. Okay, let's see if it works. No, it didn't. What's the point of view then? Oh, I think I went back to the same one, that's why. Oh shit. I need to delete this. Yeah, you don't. It doesn't have to be free, guys. Feel free to support the channel. Go to orbem.shop. You can buy all the Orbem mortar merch you can get your hands on. You can also pick up a pair of flex keys. These flex keys are a musician and programmer's best friend. Really good little agility, dexterity building fidget device. I use them all the time. Warm up the fingers, you know, it helps me do stuff like this. And, you know, everything I'm doing right now. And they're only $4.99. Best part is, if you order them, flexkeys.shop, if you order them, I will literally produce them for you live on stream. And you can watch me make your item. Maybe I'll even box it right there for you. And they come in a bunch of color combinations too. Whoop. You can even watch my printer live too. I think I have the new one set up. Oh shit. Come on. Almost there. Believe me, when you see this animation with no background, it's going to be worth it. And then we'll turn it into a GIF and we'll throw it on the site or on the map. Oh, actually, we're going to have to throw this on the site now that I think about it. Shit, I forgot about that. This is going to be an item. Otherwise, I'd have to animate the entire background, which I do not want to do. Though I could. I gave people the ability to upload videos for your background as well of your maps. So you can make an entire animated background for your maps in the video game. Which is kind of cool. Especially if you have like a level that's like on water and everything's moving, you know what I mean? It'd be really good to be able to do that with a video instead of having to put a bunch of moving water items on the map. Or if you're in space and there's things moving around you the whole time. What just happened? I don't know. Did I make this dark mode or something randomly? I feel like I changed to dark mode. I must have clicked some hotkey. Oh my god, we're so close. Thank God for this action. This actually would have been a lot more annoying. Come on, people. Oh my god, we're only at grid A. Yeah, there's no way I'm finishing tonight. Oh. Han. From the Clinic Tracker project. Ooh, cool. We got this. Definitely going to be worth it. Hopefully it's not too big of a file. These GIFs can get kind of big. And this is going to have a lot of frames. Okay, what the fuck? I think I'm like halfway. That's crazy. Totally worth it. Got speed up. Speed up. I can only go this speed because of flex keys. Remember that. Shit. What did I do? Shit. I screwed up the action. I thought I just deleted things, that's why. Yeah, best thing about actions too is you can hand them off to other people, right? So like, you can export them and new people that come in can have these built-in actions that are kind of handling the standards of Photoshop for your team or whatever. Pretty cool. It made it a lot easier too, I think. I think it used to be harder to do actions. Maybe it's always easy, I don't remember actually. Photoshop is very intuitive. What did I do this song for? I forgot. It gave service to more than 1,500 hospitals. Huh? What was it tracking? Just like hospital stuff. It's pretty cool. Well, this is boring. Sorry, everybody. I wasn't expecting this to take so long. Oh, look, I can see the end of the tunnel. Yay! And then you can see what it looks like. And we'll loop it. Though I'm not going to be able to use it right now, because I got to put it on the map. But I'll put the other transformers on the map right after this. And one more after this. And final. Done. Now you can see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Looking good, eh? Fantastic. Yeah, I like it. I could definitely shorten it, but for now, let's just see what it looks like when I export it. Let's make sure I have the right GIF stuff. And I can't imagine this being taller than like 500 pixels, so this can definitely get a lot smaller. Okay, yeah, so let's make this like 600. We'll go a little bit over. Peaceful. And let's play it, see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good on the map. Fantastic. I guess I could make it shorter, now that I think about it. Doesn't really move past like there, right? Yeah, could probably even make it smaller this way as well. Every little bit counts when it comes to file size. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's good enough. All right, back to this. And 600. GIF. Okay, so what? Appointment filing docs, send prescription. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I bet that sounds like a headache. I never want to get into the health field. It's way too boring for me. No, not that I can say anything I currently work on is that exciting. This is the most exciting thing I work on. That's for sure. All right, let's just check this in the game creatives for now, and we'll move back on to the rest of that office. Game creatives. I guess this just kind of sits there. So this is Tesla coils. Fantastic. And you know what? We can throw this on the level right now just to see what it looks like. Why not? So let's go to the game. Let's go level selector. Oh shit, did I not push the most recent code changes? Oh shit, that was the wrong thing. No. I meant to go here. Because I restyled the level selector. Ignore. Yeah, I think I just pulled down last time. Because I was working on, yeah, that. Which I still need to finish. Doing the whole weapon thing. Oh shit. This is also something we don't need to do right now, but I can't help it. I forgot how it goes. Okay, did we... Okay, we do have some stuff to push. Got it. That would make sense. Push. Okay, so let's go Cyrus. Why am I in Foresight? I said Thyrus. It's because I just did a code push, isn't it? My bad. We'll get there. Alright, wasting time. Let's go back. Let's get the, save this. Yeah, whatever. Alright, Courage the Cowardly Dog. Enjoy the rest of your workday. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Appreciate it. Wait, did I just save you? Okay. So let's put it... No, let's get rid of this stuff. Draggables. Okay. In here. So this is going to have the Tesla coils. Thanks so much. And then we'll put the new things here. Actually, we can get rid of this. Close. Where is it? Oh, I should change the color of these vending machines. I just realized that. That's first level. Where are those? No, that's a rug. Oh, vending. Vending. Here we go. Yeah, I didn't even think about it. I need to change the color. Let's just do this. Dum, 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 dum. Let's do... Yeah, there we go. Oh, crap. We're changing everything. No, I can't do that. So vending machine is this, right? Oh, fill. Oh, that's the wrong part. Yellow. Here we go. So change this to probably just like steel, huh? Do like a dark steel versus a light steel. Yeah, there we go. Now they're unrecognizable. Perfect. Perfectos. And I duplicated it, so let's do the same thing here. Wait, what? Here. No. Wait, what the fuck? I have two vending machines. We did this one. Now this one. Here we go. You. Yes. Let's do the same thing. Though I think you'll only be able to see some of it. Devil's in the details. There we go. Cool. Much better. Alright, what was I doing? I was putting this here. You. Transformers, go! Little Transformers. I love the Tesla coils freaking out. Okay, good. The code pushed. Yeah, we'll do something like that where it's like kind of covering it up. Because Zing is supposed to be kind of annoying. Like he takes over the entire facility. So it would make sense that he has giant transformers that are like going over the grid. And let's remove the backgrounds. Let's add some shadowing. Like we do. Oh shit, I gotta go back. Normal brush, normal brush. I go back to normal brush. Normal. There we go. What happened to my music? I ran out of music. Nice. I don't think that's happened in a long time. Opacity is good. Hardness is good. All right, this should work. Perfect. Yes. Oh, not perfect. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Cool. Cool. It's always good to add a little extra shadowing behind. Cool. Now those are doing that. Now we'll have stuff here. We'll add some stuff to his desk here. We'll have the Tesla coil going crazy right here in the back. And I don't know. Maybe we'll need something to fill this area up too. Maybe we can add some more of these transformers. All right. Let's try the level select again. And I guess we'll add the Tesla coils to the map, and I don't know. I guess we'll call it a night. I did get a lot done. Got the lobby, I got the first level, I got one full office. That's pretty good. What the fuck? Why is my site down? Uh-oh. That's not good. Escape to Orbem. Why are you down? Was I working on something and I forgot? I guess I was. What was I working on? Yeah, I was messing with the classes a bit. I shouldn't have broke anything though. What did I do? Oh, I changed. Right. Oh, the plugin might have deactivated with the changes I made. No, but no, I don't think so. Would it? Let's find out locally, and then we'll do it in production. What to break? Yeah, it's gone. Right. I changed it to Orbem Studio. Apparently I didn't rename it though. Hold on. Let's do that and push it up. Yes, it's still Orbem Game Engine. Orbem Studio. We have a new name for the plugin. It's Orbem Studio. And the README is correct. And the instance, Orbem Studio. Orbem Studio. Looks good. Oh, that's why. There we go. Perfect. Now it should be right. Orbem Studio. Boop. Escape to Orbem. Yeah, there we go. Hey, C-Films. What's going on, my friend? All right, let's go push this up to production and reactivate the plugin. Doing pretty well. Just I gotta make some real progress on this game. So I'm doing some set dressing for Thyrus. And once I finish that, I'll set dress the condo. I'll finish set dressing that. And then I got to do a bunch of voiceover recording, which will help. And then I have to finish the condo tutorial, how to fight thing. And then we'll move on to the boss fight. But yeah, the most time-consuming thing is always the set dressing, you know, putting all the final assets. Yeah, it's hard when you have a day job focusing on anything. Oh wait, I got to rename the folder too. Rename. You are now Orbem Studio. We have renamed it. So let me actually get out of here and do that again. Let's push this up actually. Rename plugin. Move menu to its own class. And apparently, did I upgrade WordPress? Oh, now it's acting like this is all brand new. I am not adding any of this. What? What? Oh. That's weird. When did I switch branches? Dressing is for salad. That is the truth. My computer's exploding. Push. Why not? Oh. Yeah, right. Orbem Studio. Okay, new plugin. And let's also get rid of Orbem Game Engine. Push. Perfect. Back to set dressing. So let's plan out what we're gonna do for B, because I didn't really go into detail in the book, like who everybody was. So we have a lot of liberty. Oh, that's right. The rocket's right here. So this is where the rocket is that gets shot over here and blocks my path. So all we need to do for the rocket, it's taking up a lot of the space here. We just need like a back wall. I think I want to like create a little metal like blast shield right here too for it to be shooting at. And then maybe put like a black walking pad with maybe this like a bunch of just tools or something across the table. So we might need to computer tools, yeah, whatever. We'll put computers and stuff too. All right, let's go to production now and reactivate the plugin. Sorry, you are not allowed. Yeah, it doesn't exist. All right, Orbem Studio. Let's go. And now let's go back to escape to Orbem. And let's go to Thyrus. Perfect. Son of a bitch. No touch. Yeah, so you see this is where the waste disposal is. So I added some stuff here. And the rocket's right here. So I need to add like a blast shield right here. And then we can just have like a wall where like I want to have the NPC walking back and forth basically. Yeah. And then this is one we're working on right now. So let's add a new item. This is Tesla coils. Let's select a feature image, which is going to be our new GIF. Cool. Which is 337 by 600. This is going right here. So we'll go 0114 661. And that's 337 by what? 6 something? Shit, I should have looked at that. It was 337 600. Okay. So 600 337. And this is just a random item. There's no engagement. It's going to go in Thyrus. No interaction type. And yeah, that's it. Just a thing. Whoa. That's too big. Okay. Well, 337 smallerized. Oh man, I'm gonna have to open this up. Hold on. Tesla coils. I guess I should open it this way. So 337. Let's drop this down to like 400 by 225. So 400 by 245. So 400, 225. All right, now we're talking. This should be doable here. Cool. I should have added some Tesla coils. Those look great. Let's move them out a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So it's not going through the wall. And I can't walk through it. Okay, good. So yeah, that would hurt. Great. Then we'll have the thingies right here. Which, now that I see it, these probably need to move over. Where'd they go? Oh, it's just first level. New. Oh shit, I put the Tesla coils in the wrong area. It used to be an A. Where the fuck did I put them? Where did I? Oh, that's lobby. I don't need that open. It's this? No. Oh, right here. Okay, let's put you in A. Yeah, there you go. A. Perfect. And yes, it's gonna have to go over. Something like that. So I can make the desk a little smaller. Perfect. So I don't really have to fill it out as much as I thought. We have the Tesla coils right here. Okay, cool. Looking better. Looking more like a map. We're a little less than a quarter done. But it's all right. Okay. Let's save this. Nice and safe. And now we have these. Very cool. All we have to do is add some shit down here, which, you know, I don't have to go crazy with it. But like up here is pretty taken care of. And then we can move on to B, which we already have the rocket. So I can't walk in here, which is good. Which that also means that the NPC won't be able to, which is also good. I just want them walking back and forth anyways in their office. I want to have a cutscene with Zing because he's a dick. It'd be funny. Never get to talk to him in the book, so I figured it'd be nice. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I'm tired. And if I spend too much time working in Photoshop, I want to die. Just kidding. But yeah, we'll get there. I mean, it's just like Foresight, you know. Once it's done, it looks great, and you know, it's really polished. But you know, until then, It's just annoying. So cool. Let's go through the list. Courage Cowardly Dog. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out for so long. Appreciate all the conversations and compliments. Glad you liked all the music. Han Programmer, thank you for jumping in. Appreciate your time and comments as well. And Harlow, always appreciate you jumping on, my friend. Hope to see you more often. And appreciate you saying what's up. Steve Jobs. I just got the comment. Yeah, I have like a mock turtleneck on right now. Andrew, thanks for jumping on as well. Hope you had a good time and glad to see your face. And by face, I mean avatar. D1ZZ. Hey, thanks for jumping on at the beginning too. You deserve all the praise you can get for being first, and you gave me some great compliments in the form of questions, and I appreciate it. See Films, you're a real one, my friend. I'll catch you in the next one. And No Name Noggin, always fun to see your avatar jump on. So thanks so much, everybody. Have a great night, and goodbye. 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 Everybody, goodbye.